I already installed 7 solar panels on the deck roof, but I figured out a better way to install the mini rail for my situation, so I will be reinstalling those. Now, I will be demonstrating the new way I will be installing the mini rail. Those mini rail are 13 inches long. I will leave link from where I got them along with coupon code in the description below. The plan is to install it at the highest part of the corrugated metal using 2 fasteners. I am going to begin by secure the corrugated metal to the OSB sheathing using 4 fasteners at the top along with 4 fasteners at the bottom. There is a proper way to fasten this panel to its final place. This is not what I'm doing right now. I'm just fastening it on so I can do a demonstration how to install the solar panel. Now the metal panel is secured to the OSB sheeting. Let's move on to the next step. I place the mini rail where I plan to install it, then mark where I plan to drill with a marker. Then I use a center punch before drilling. I follow by drilling both holes. I will be using Rivet nut to install the mini rail. This is a M6 Rivet nut. I use a hammer to put both of them in. Then I use the rivet nut tool. I screw it into the rivet nut, then keeping it down, and then I clamp it into place. Once it is done, I unscrew it, and I repeat the same thing for the next piece. I wish I knew about this method before I installed the 7 solar panel on the deck roof. I will be using this method to reinstall the 7 solar panel on the deck roof. Once that is done, I will be installing an additional 6 solar panel. I think this application is superior to the previous one that I used because the metal sheathing is the only thing that's holding the mini rail in place. If you are worried about water getting in, you can apply some silicone before putting the rivet nut into place. Let me show you what the rivet nut looks like underneath. This will be a lot harder to pull out compared to a screw. The mini rail comes with rubber that helps seal the holes after fastening it into place. This is the fastener I will be using. I was able to find a washer that also have a rubber to keep water out. I bought some stainless steel bowl for the installation on the deck roof, but I did not get them in time for the video. For the remaining 3 mini rail, I will be using the same method that I use on the deck roof because I do not want to waste any of the rivet nuts. I already pre-drilled the hole for the installation and then I screw the mini rail into place. Because I have the OSB sheathing underneath, using a longer screw would be a perfect application, but I do not have that under the deck roof. When I built the deck, I did not think about installing solar panel. If I did, I would strategically install support exactly where I plan to install the solar panel. Now I am placing the solar panel on top of the 4 mini rails. Next, I install the end cap on the side of the solar panel, 2 on the left, 2 on the right. If you are installing more than one, you can install mid clamp in the middle of 2 solar panels. Also, the end clamp and mid clamp also come in different color. If you have black solar panel and you want to match them, you can get your end clamp and mid clamp in black. This is what the installation looks like after everything is done. I tried to move the solar panel, but it feels really sturdy. Both applications feel sturdy, but I trust the rivet method better. If you have material to hold the mini well down, once you screw it down, you should use that method, but I will be using the rivet method because I think it fit my application better and it will come out a lot stronger. I'm not sure if you can see it in the video. I tried to move the solar panel on both sides, but it feels sturdy. Let me know in the comment which method do you like better. I hope this video was informative. Hopefully it's useful to someone out there. If you like this video, you might also enjoy the recommended videos. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy. See you in the next video.